I don't even know where to begin. Let me go ahead and actually start off with a background story, because these boxes you don't really recognize as a supercharger or boost packages here. So a while ago I announced the supercharger for my 2008 Mustang GT Sally, and ever since then I've been on the lookout. I actually tried to apply for sponsorship to two different companies, Procharger and Vortex. I had to go with a centrifugal supercharger. I'll do a separate video on that later on, but I really wanted to get a Procharger, or I wanted to get a Vortex centrifugal supercharger. I reached out to them. I got denied by both, okay? I'm not the biggest YouTuber out there. I think the only person that Procharger actually sponsored was that dude in blue, David Patterson. Then they gave him a full stage 2 Procharger. So I got denied by Procharger. I never heard back from Vortex. I was just like, okay, that's not gonna stop me. So a good buddy of mine, Christian, actually hit me up on Instagram. He had a Procharger stage 2 intercooled that came off of his 3-valve that he was looking to sell. Now get this, the stage 2 intercooled Procharger goes for $7,000. Well, $6,800 with tax, it's around $7,000. He sold this to me for $3,500 for the complete set. Yes, I hopped on that so quick, and that is where we are right now. Enough talking, let's get to this unboxing, and let's just see what's inside of these boxes. I'm actually gonna start with this one first. I think this is the intercooler. These boxes are heavy. Wow, great packaging, that's for sure. Tubing, tubing, and more tubing. I think I found the main piece right here. Oh boy, I got the main accessory. We got the Procharger already halfway installed for me. Hopefully this makes installation a lot more easier. This thing is heavy. Work out with this. Let me put it down really fast and show you guys how it looks. And here's the first box, ladies and gents. I just unboxed the first box here. This was everything that was included. I still cannot believe my eyes here. I have a Procharger. Yes, it is used. That means, number one, it's already broken in, so we don't have to go through the broken stage. And number two, it's already partially installed. It has every single part, so it's gonna make installation a lot easier for me. The only concern that I have is that I really do wish he included every single part, because Prochargers are very detailed, and I just really hope that all of these parts are here. And oh my goodness, I'm definitely gonna clean it all. This came in from somewhere that's very, very wet, as you guys could obviously see. I'm gonna clean the air filters, very simple. Gonna clean this with some brake cleaner and some other cleaners here. I'll show you guys on the next video, but this thing is massive. I'm gonna polish the chrome. I'm gonna show you guys all of this. Oh wow, I am in love so far. The big ol' intercooler. And here it is, all unboxed. We have the Procharger, we have the intercooler, all of the tubing. He even included the belt with it, the intakes, the crank pulley. I'm not too excited on this crank pulley. I hate installing it, but I'm definitely gonna have to do it. And the tubes. This is the full entire set. I do want to show you the little add-ons that I got that he did not have inside, which we will need. This is from LMR, already opened up. So he did not include the big mass airflow sensor, just because we are gonna need one. This one is good for 800 rear wheel horsepower, more than what we need. I actually got the bundle with SCT. At LMR, they have an awesome deal. I think it's like a couple bucks off with the 47-pound fuel injectors, which is what we need here. Also got the 47 pounds. This is going to be an easy install for the fuel injectors. Also, the one last thing that I did order to help out with the fuel supply is the Kenny Bell booster pump, which, there we go, here's a better look of it. The Kenny Belt booster pump, this is gonna help out for the voltage. It boosts it like 100% for the for my Mustang. So instead of getting a full fuel system for like 800 bucks like the GT500 one, I spent like 250 for this, for the booster pump. Just gonna wire this in, and that should be enough for the fuel supply, to be determined. But we got the booster pump, we got the mass airflow sensor, and we also got the fuel injectors, 47 pounds. Gonna install these to supplement this Procharger. There it is, boys. One man's loss is another man's treasure here. And yes, I will be doing the full installation by myself with the help of my buddy Joe and possibly others. So I'm gonna take you guys through the step-by-step installation of the full process that I go with Sally. I am so ecstatic. I have been waiting for this for more than 4 years, and we finally got it. This would have not been possible for you guys. I thank you guys for the support so much. The Procharger, thank you so much, Christian, for hitting me up and giving me this opportunity for a Procharger at 50% off. Best Black Friday deal ever. I'm gonna post so much regarding this. Comment down below what you guys want to see throughout this full supercharger install. Comment down suggestions, opinions, what you think about my setup, what I need to do, what I need to look out after. You guys are part of this channel. I support you guys so much as you guys support me. This is so breathtaking, guys. I cannot thank you guys so much for giving me this opportunity, and I am going to give back to you, I promise. We have the Sally videos coming. I do want to let you guys know that this engine is going to take a complete transformation, and you guys are along with the ride. This is all going to be cleared. JLT Series 3 cold air intake is officially now for sale. Go to naterider.com/shop. First come, first serve on the JLT Series 3 cold air intake. Just let you guys know, there is the 2 holes for nitrous. I will go ahead and plug them up upon request, and everything is good to go. I seriously cannot believe my eyes. I am boosting Sally. This is going to be quite a journey. Procharger, 500 wheel. Let's get this project done. Thank you guys so much.